The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall, skilla. Ready? Yeah, good morning, people. My day I go easy. Just wake up to some good news, isn't it? Be a rumor. Everybody know me staying on. Everybody know West, you know. Feed my feed people and take care of people. So there's no way I can have somebody on my foot and in cheat them, I make them have them more, isn't it? The man just want to go back to town and just kettle out himself and just go be a party. No one wait till the place open back. He can go all about over the world. He no one wait upon that. He want to go to town, so make him go on a town. Me not have an angle over that. Isn't it? You know, woman, me I keep an house for. Me not love man. Isn't it? Stop make people tell yourself and fool my boss. Isn't it? Because everybody know me read for you, and me write for you, and me do interview for you, and me do everything for you. The same girl in the video, in the back line of the video, me know who. Her name is Jackish. Every day she beg me. See? So you don't know. Them can't help you. Them can't do nothing for you. And me respond to everybody, and me boss everybody. Me respond to everybody. The people that know who me is. And me have a Westy Foundation and give back to people. So why me feel give to people and you down my foot and me not get no and take care of them? You see me? Yeah, when I slippers I take people, so my daughter slippers I wear. Stop embarrassing yourself here, because everybody know a lie you tell. This way I said now add up. You see me? Can't bring me. I work hard for everything what me have. Everybody know that. So me work hard for everything what me have. So what you watch I have to do? Now I'm gonna work my brother. You want to go back to town and me you run away? You down my foot, you get everything what you want. You want to go back to town, brother. See if you want to go back to town bigger than me. I can't hold on by you, you know, my baby mother, you know, my woman. But I hold on by you for you know, go on back to town if you want to go back to town. When me fall back at the house, you know, remember me not see, you know, you have your own room, you have everything for yourself in the youth. And you go back to town. And I make people force you to do video for embarrass me. You can't embarrass me, youth. I want to hear youth. You're not in a show, you're not in no video ads, you're not in the bookings, you're not going to wear the place locked down. And my money me use do everything for you. But people, I say God, right now I'm not give nobody no. Yo, I don't want nobody DM me in inbox me and about, oh, where's your me from him? I don't bust nobody else. There's some people me give visa, the highlight, and them still turn them back for me. I want to make sure about my life, I never tell nobody thanks it, you know. And nobody can answer me ever tell them thanks it. You see me? I never tell nobody thanks it. Me, now stop the good. Remember that. Right now, I focus on my kids them. And all I want to do is give him a chance on him something. Chance upon balloon. I don't want to see him. You see me? I don't want to see him. Because if him can put me down like this, what you feel like? I don't want to see him. I do one thing now, I focus on my kids them. And I have nothing bad to say about him. You see me? How long this ever go on for? 1 week and it blow off. And nobody don't want to see you back, brother. And me have all connection for most everybody youth. I'm going to put it to the world. And you can't wait until the place open back. You run Ghana town. Stay down there and let me see if them can help you. Me alright with me there. Me good. Respect my people.
Alright, my people, big up and respect to each and every one. Dancehall Skilla is here again, you see it? Yeah, so I just presented to you a video that shows a person who some people on social media call Westy. You see it? And that video is circulating on social media where it is said that Westy responded to some things that a person who goes by the name of Ghetto Michael Jackson said about him. See it? Now, Westy is said to be or was Ghetto Michael Jackson's manager. You see me? Because I don't know what happened right now after all of these things that happened. You see me I said? So I just present that video to you so that you can hear some of the things that he said. You know the thing go already. Me Dancehall Skilla. Me keep you up to date and post and let you know what's going on. Now, if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, have never seen the video that shows Ghetto Michael Jackson talking about Westy, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to the previous video that I posted showing Ghetto Michael Jackson talking about Westy. You see it? Alright. Anyways, I have one more video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is circulating on social media where it is said that the video shows a man standing up and sleeping at the same time. Yeah, according to what has been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that the video shows a man standing up and sleeping at the same time. Let's take a look at this video and see if this man actually stand up and sleep at the same time. You see? Make us take a look at this video. Observe with me. Jano, my people, if that is not amazing, I'm not sure what else is. That's amazing. Listen, while me I look at the video, I thought that the person was going to fall or so forth. Yeah, me I look at the video and I said, Jano, I hope so that the person don't fall. You see me? And you know, even though you see me laughing, right? It's just that I couldn't help it somewhat, but even though you see me laugh, it is dangerous what had been shown in that video, right? That person stand up and sleeping like that or dozing off. It is dangerous. On social media, it is said that the video shows a person stand up and sleeping, but on a real, it is dangerous. See? And listen why I say it dangerous. If that person fall during that time when the person was standing up and sleeping, that person can hit his head, and who knows what can happen if that happens. You see me I say? In my point of view, still no viewers and subscribers, it seems as if the person was somewhat nodding off a little and then revive back a little and nod off a little. You see me? Yeah, in my point of view, it seems as if the person was 100% in deep sleep. You see me I say? Maybe the person is at work and don't want him boss to realize he's that tired and want to sleep, so he just pull off a little you know, bob and weave thing like this, you know, take him time and so forth. You see what I say? Yeah, maybe, you know. Yeah, maybe. You see what I say? No, but some of the times we see people do certain things and we might not understand, you know. You see me? Even though some of the things that people do, it make us laugh, but you might be surprised to know that there's something behind it still. You see what I say? And it's amazing to see a video like this circulating on social media. I'm wondering who video recorded that video. That person who video recorded that man stand up sleeping like that in a way. My people, I don't know how that person hold the camera steady for video that, because just by me looking at that person, I'm telling you the honest truth, I think I might laugh. Laugh so hard to the point where the camera might be like this. May I tell you? You see me I say, so that person there, him have good nerves. See me, who's to have video recording that, you see? Alright, my people, I hear some other left to know. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. That's what I say. And you know, that person seems as if he was sleeping while at his place of work or a place of work, you know. Yeah, man. But anyways, you know, let me know what you think about these videos that I presented to you in this video. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.